Alright, thanks for joining us here. Autoworks Parts or Autoworks Mega Bright, check it out. Our newest addition to the LED light family, we've got the interior lights, which I'm sure you've seen, the under dash light kit and the dome light kit. This here is license plate light. Let me go over the tools that you're going to need for the install. We've got a screwdriver, Phillips, right? That's what you use to take out the old light, the incandescent one, and your keys. Right, let's go over a quick install with this thing. First of all, pop the trunk lid. Alright, and then you're going to go and you're going to feed the positive side of this light through this hole back in here. Remember, we've already removed the old license plate light. Let me show you this too. It comes with a grommet to seal the little hole up in here. So push this in. Push the grommet into place. Feed the wire through. Take the couple of screws out that it has on the clips. Like so. Locate the two mounting holes underneath your bumper here. Put the screw in one side. Get that started off. Put the screw in the other side. Do that up. Sometimes hold the clip with your finger from the back side just to make it easier. Okay, we're done there. Check it out. That's what she looks like. Not only does it look cool, but it gives you great light. More modern car appeal in your old classic. So there's the wire that you've already put through your lower valance hole. Take your factory harness, plug that in, put the wiring back to wherever it was before you played with it, which is there, and then let's check it out, see how it looks. Okay, one more awesome part from Autoworks Parts. You can find us on the web at Autoworks Parts or Autoworks Mega Bright for your classic Mustang LED parts.